Hi everyone, I'm Summer and today I'm excited to share with you the ways that you can double your average order value with the Shopify app called Rapi, which now has even more amazing new features. This is something you are going to want to implement into your store right from the beginning. This is going to massively increase the visuals of your store and the revenue. So this is a Shopify store before using the Rapi app. As you can see, there are no bundle options here, only an add to cart. But now let me take you to a store that has implemented the bundle deal, Bleem. Multiple large and high profit stores are now implementing this strategy into their stores, and the Rapi app is exactly how you can implement this too for your store. So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial of how you too can implement this in your store. First, go to the Rapi app in Shopify and click Add Bundle Blocks. And from here, create the deal. Then you are taken to this page and you can change the bundle name to whatever you like. This is not seen by the customer, so this is just for you to keep organised. Here you can choose which products to add the bundle blocks on, and you have these options to choose from. You can add the bundle deal to all products, which is great because then you don't have to individually make a deal for each one. In this case, it saves you time and is much more efficient. Or you can choose the option to exclude certain products from the deal or choose specific products or specific collections. For this tutorial, however, we will be choosing to implement the bundle deal on specific products only. Then click Select Products and choose the product that you would like to implement the bundle deal on, like so. Here you can change the title of the product, which will be shown to the consumer, and you can also change the alignment or some more aesthetic features. You can even choose to schedule the bundle deal, for example if there is a holiday coming up or an event such as Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Then we move on to templates. By clicking here, you can see a wide variety of templates to choose from. For this demonstration, we are going to choose Prestige just because it's my personal favourite. However, you can choose any of these that is going to suit your brand best. A great new feature of Rapi is also this colour element. You can choose the colour of your bundle from our preset colours, or you can even choose custom to personalise these colours and make them bespoke to perfectly fit your branding. When you scroll down, you'll also see that Rapi is now offering swatch colours, which is an amazing way to offer a more visually appealing and interactive shopping experience for your customers. So here we enable swatch colours and you can see variant colours. We can keep it at default, which shows the visual swatches that you can see here. But if we change it to colour, you can see the different visual swatches here. And then another amazing option you can choose is also image. So instead of having a colour, you can upload your own image and this will represent the product that they are choosing. Therefore, the colour will be replaced by the image. Then we also have the option to match the product image to the product page. In our case, we'll be demonstrating the colour swatches, which you can see here. After you click apply, you'll be able to remove the drop down box, which looks like this. And you can also change the shape to make it circle or square or rounded. But in our case, we are going to keep it circle and then save, which you can now see has been implemented in this preview. And now we move on to offers. So for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to go in and remove offer 3. This is just because we don't want to give the consumer too many offers to choose from. So for offer 1, this is if the customer just wants to purchase one item. This will be kept at the standard price without the Rapi bundle deal. Therefore, we keep the quantity as 1 and then we change the title to single pack of X, and then you click this button here. Now this button here is going to give you all the different variants. For the sake of this tutorial, we will be choosing title of product, which you can see automatically updates in the preview here. Then we have a feature that I absolutely love. You can add an image to make the bundle look a whole lot more cohesive and also to represent that you are purchasing one of the products. And here we keep the price as default for offer 1. Moving on to offer 2, this is where we then change the quantity to 2. And we change the title to pack of 2 times, and then again go into variant and click product title. Now we are going to be offering a discount price of 15%, so you can go in here and change the subtitle to represent this. We are going to then add another image, which is going to now represent 2 products instead of 1 for this bundle. And when it comes to the pricing of offer 2, it is important to explore the different options available. We have default, discount pricing as a percentage, discount pricing as dollars, or a fixed pricing option. For this tutorial, we'll be demonstrating discount as a percentage and change the amount to 15%. This then calculates the pricing for you, as you can see here. And notice underneath there is also an option for buy one get one free. This is another feature that Rapi has just implemented, which makes it so much easier to implement these great bundle deals onto your store. It is as easy as can be. You can simply click the checkbox for the buy one get one free offer, then the Rapi app will automatically go and set this up. However, we'll be showing the 15% discount for now. Then we have some more great features that we can also implement into the bundle deal to make it a whole lot more cohesive, such as highlighting the offer to say something like most popular to make it a whole lot more enticing, And you can even choose to select offer 2 as the default for the customer. At the bottom of this page, you can further your offer with adding another upsell or a free gift. So we'll go ahead and add a free gift, and you just select the product that you would like to add for free. Simply click this button, click select product, and we can also select to show the original price so that the customer can see how much value that they are getting from this offer. And now we can move on to designs. You can see from these drop down boxes that you can easily adapt the style and design of your deal. This may be for your colours or your fonts to again further the branding of this bundle. Also, you can easily drag these boxes to align them however you wish, like so. And finally, we have advanced settings. These variants allow you to further adapt the bundle to make it perfect for your customer. For example, having the pricing here as $49.30 isn't very enticing. So you can choose the option here for price rounding and choose from these options. For this example, we will be using the 99p option. You can see that this has automatically now been implemented to price rounding the number to $49.99, which is much more visually appealing for the customer. It is also worth noting that if you're using a manual page builder such as Pagefly or Gpage, you can easily still implement this bundle into your store. All you need to do is copy this link with this button here. You can also visit our tutorials if you want more help on how you can use this copy and paste code feature. Now you can publish. Once it has been published, it is immediately implemented onto your store unless if you chose the scheduling option. So you can see that once we refresh the page and search for it again, it comes up with a beautiful bundle deal. This time, all the bundles are included on the side of the product rather than just an add to cart. This will then entice your customers to purchase more products and therefore increasing your average order value. And this is a strategy known to work incredibly well no matter the store or the product that you are selling. But don't let us just tell you, let's have a look at the analytics so you can see for yourself the difference that the Rapi app has made. Now, this brand came to us looking to increase their revenue, and we set up a bundle offer with a free gift, nothing too complicated. And right after that, their average order value nearly doubled and their conversion rates skyrocketed. Just so we're clear, these numbers here are the additional revenue. The numbers speak for themselves. That is $400,000 in additional revenue, all thanks to the Rapi app. Without it, none of this would exist. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our 24/7 live chat support team and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to getting you started with the Rapi app.